just look at that. I just want to lick this right now. Oh my goodness. So today I'll be showing you how to make 3 delicious, easy milkshakes. So the first flavor I want to start with is the vanilla milkshake. So into your blender, go in with your milk. So next you want to add is some ice cream. So I just went with some vanilla ice cream. Then add in some vanilla extract. So just cover this up and blend everything together. And just like that, our vanilla milkshake is ready. It smells so yummy. So the next thing we want to make is our banana milkshake. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. So now we are done dicing our banana. So the next thing we want to do is to blend everything together. So into your blender, go in with your milk. Add in your banana. Add in your ice cream. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And then blend everything together. And just like that, our banana milkshake is ready. So the next one we want to make is our Oreo milkshake. So add in your Oreo biscuits. So add in your vanilla ice cream. So which of the flavors do you prefer the most? Do you like the vanilla? Do you like the Oreos? Or do you prefer the banana milkshake? Let me know in the comment section. And that is it. Just top up with some whipped cream, or you can as well just top up with some ice cream and then top up with your fillings. I use some Oreos, I use some nuts, and I also use some banana, and that is it. So this was all it took us to clean up everything to make this so beautiful. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. It was super delicious. Like, tasted so good, like so good. You can see that everyone really enjoyed it. It was super nice. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the other flip side. Do enjoy your day. Lots of kisses from me to you.